Truthfully, unless my husband is lighting that bad boy up, I want no part of it. I'm more of a flip a switch kind of gal. But our kids, like many, love to roast a good s'more, especially for sleepovers or movie nights. And if an outdoor bonfire isn't an option, this weekend's New Tolu 2 brings the party inside. Now, by now, I'm sure you've heard of Solo Stove, if you don't have one already. Well, they recently acquired TerraFlame, who offers a product specifically designed for those gooey treats called the S'mores Bowl. The S'mores Bowl is a safe, convenient, and easy way to bring the magic of a fire just about anywhere, indoors or out. The portable tabletop s'mores roaster is fired by clean-burning, smoke-free gel fuel with flickering flames that crackle to the tune of Kumbaya. Not really, but you get the vibe. The bowl includes a bamboo tray lid that's perfect for setup and storage. And the best part, you can literally use it on your kitchen counter, dessert table, or really anywhere. It's compact, aesthetically appealing, and right up my alley in terms of bonfires for dummies. The package comes with 1 can of TerraFlame clean burning gel fuel, which is non-toxic, odorless, and smoke-free. Shake that up, remove the cap, and light her up. The gel fuel burns for up to 3 hours and has a beautiful 7-inch golden flame. Now, it is one and done with these cans, so not really what you want to do if you want to just roast a marshmallow or two. This is more of a big picture item. Barbecues, dinner parties. You've got to purchase additional cans of the TerraFlame gel fuel separately, which isn't a huge expense, but it is an added step and cost. So while that part's not super convenient, it's easy to light, pretty to look at, and a great conversation starter. TerraFlame's S'more Bowl from Solo Stove goes for $59.99. Get it while it's hot. And don't forget Smokeless. For more information, check out Lou's HouseSmarts YouTube channel and clickety-clack that subscribe button while you're there.